Hey YouTube, I'm currently going to crack this 440 case, and that in itself might be interesting, but leading up to it, I discovered something, and I want to tell you about it. A normal steel case, when you assemble it, it has two locator pins, and those pins come out. Well, for some reason, and they're supposed to come out. For some reason, FarmerTec closed one side of the hole up. So in other words, you can place the locator pins, but once you assemble the case, it's much harder to get out. And what I'm concerned about is you forgetting, and in 5 years, you've got to replace a bearing, and you go to break open the case, and it tears, for a better word, because of these hidden pins that you didn't see and that you didn't take out. So now, how I came to realize this is because on every saw, well, I recently did a 660, and this made me think is, hey, I did not take the pins out of that case. Well, I can tell you right now, that's because the holes were hidden, because I went over it, and I look at everything I do. So, and I didn't realize it until now, is what I'm saying. When I looked at this one, and these holes are hidden, and I got one reply where somebody said, yeah, that's, mine was too. So if they're doing that, and that is a thing now, then before you put the case together, I highly recommend that you take a minute and you drill those holes through. Now, I just took this one out because I'm going to take this apart. In my world, that would have already been out and been in your toolbox, so that in 5 years, when you cracked it open, you didn't tear it up. There are 6 screws that hold these cases together, and they're made out of magnesium, and this is not to support, it is a locator pin. Okay, with that said, so what I had to do here was I used the position that is mentioned in the service manual, and got a flashlight and took a drill, and fortunately the pin was not beat all the way down, because my drill had enough time, there was enough space on the other side for it to break through. And then I just took a long nail and beat the pin out, and, and it fell out. And the others over here on this side had to do the same thing. So, I mean, this is unnecessary. So now you know about it. So take your case halves, drill the correct location, find where the normally you seat the pins in the flywheel side. Okay, so it's probably going to be the flywheel side that is blocked. It was on it was on this one. So just turn it over and drill. I mean, you won't have to drill but 40 gnat hairs, to get through. It just will make for a better experience for you. So I'm going to come back to this, but I wanted to make this video just on that fact. Okay, thanks. Like, subscribe. Chainsaw Kit Guy out.